Summer after high school when we first met, we'd make out in your Mustang to Radiohead. And on my 18th birthday, we got matching tattoos.
Grabbed a bunch of blankets and climbed to the roof. Talk about our future like we had a clue. Never planned that one day I'd be losing you.
In another life, I would be your girl. We'd keep all our promises, be us against the world.
In another life, I would make you stay, so I don't have to say you were the one that got away.
The one that got away. I was June and you were my Johnny Cash. Never one without the other, we made a pact. And sometimes when I miss you, I put those records on.
Someone said you had your tattoo removed. I saw you downtown